How to redeem Uber Eats gift card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem Uber Eats gift card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you will need to head over to Uber Eats. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to the account section on the bottom right. After you're there, let me go back. So this is where you will be at. Now, after you're here to redeem your gift card, head over to the wallet section. Tap on wallet. And after you tap on wallet, you'll find different options. What you can do is you can tap on add payment method. And after you tap on that, you'll find the gift card option on the second. Tap on gift card and all you have to do is type in the code for your gift card and you can simply redeem it by tapping on add. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.